My dear precious child, God is speaking to your heart right now. Chosen one, I need you to be still. Just pause. Let everything fade away for a moment. The noise, the distractions, the fears, the doubts. Right now, in this sacred moment, I am speaking to your soul. I am placing my divine hand upon your life to remind you, you're being restored. I know what you've been through. I've seen every tear you cried in silence. I watched as you tried to keep going when everything inside you wanted to give up. I heard the prayers you whispered when no one else could hear. Chosen one, I saw your silent battles. And even though it seemed like nothing was changing, even though you felt forgotten, I was with you every step of the way. You didn't break, though the enemy tried to shatter you. You didn't lose your faith, though the storm was fierce. And because you didn't give up, because you trusted me even in the dark, I am stepping in. I am restoring you. Yes, chosen one, you're being restored. I am restoring your peace, the kind that doesn't depend on circumstances, but flows like a quiet river from my throne. I'm restoring your strength, the strength you thought you lost along the way. You may feel tired, weary, and drained, but I am breathing new life into your spirit. You are not forgotten. You are not abandoned. I am the God who restores, and I am doing it in ways you can't even imagine. Chosen one, you've carried burdens that weren't yours to carry. You've lived under the weight of lies, lies that said you weren't enough, that you were too broken, too late, too flawed. But I say this to you now. You are mine. You are loved. You are worthy. You are chosen. I am restoring your identity, the true identity I gave you before the world tried to rename you. You are not your failures. You are not your mistakes. You are not your trauma. You are my beloved. You are called. You are marked by grace. You are crowned with purpose. Don't look at your past and think it defines your future. I make all things new. What was once broken will now be whole. What was once lost is being found. What was once dead in your life is coming back to life. I am doing a new thing, chosen one. Can you feel it? I'm restoring your relationships, the ones that were meant to bless you, not break you. I will bring healing where there was heartbreak. I will bring clarity where there was confusion. I will replace betrayal with loyalty. I will surround you with those who honor your calling and speak life into your spirit. I'm restoring your vision. The dreams that once burned bright inside your heart but slowly dimmed with time, I am lighting them up again. That passion, that purpose, that fire, it's coming back. And this time, it will burn with holy flame. The enemy tried to bury it, but I have revived it. Chosen one, I am restoring your joy. You've smiled for others while crying inside. You've celebrated others while grieving you. Own delays, but your season of mourning is turning into dancing. I will give you joy that overflows, not shallow happiness, but deep, unshakable joy that comes from me. You don't have to strive anymore. You don't have to fix everything on your own. Just rest in me. Let me carry what you were never meant to carry. Lay down your fear, your anxiety, your pressure to perform, and just be. Be held, be loved, be restored. Every attack you endured didn't go unnoticed. I'm restoring everything the enemy tried to steal. The years, the confidence, the opportunities, the time, it's not lost. I'm the redeemer of time. I will restore the wasted seasons and turn them into fruitful ones. And no, it's not too late. You haven't missed it. My timing is perfect. You're right on schedule for the restoration I have prepared. You thought you were behind, but I was setting you up. The delays were part of the process. The pain was part of the preparation. Chosen one, you are stepping into a season of divine restoration. The kind that doesn't make sense. The kind that leaves people speechless. The kind that can only be explained by my hand on your life. You've been hidden, but now I will bring you forward. You've been underestimated, but now I will reveal your worth. You've been in the background, but now I will call you to the forefront, not for your glory, but for mine. I am healing the places no one sees, the deep wounds, the scars you cover, the heartbreak you hide. I am mending your heart, restoring your trust, and giving you peace that surpasses all understanding. Don't be afraid to hope again. Don't be afraid to love again. Don't be afraid to dream again. I am the God of resurrection, and I am resurrecting what you thought was over. Chosen one, restoration doesn't mean going back to how things used to be. It means I'm making things better. I'm elevating you. I'm renewing you. I'm making you stronger, wiser, and more anchored in me. This is your comeback season. This is where you rise from the ashes with beauty instead of pain. This is where the chains fall off and the prison doors swing open. This is where your story shifts, not by your power, but by mine. I know it's been hard. I know you've cried yourself to sleep. I know you've questioned why. But chosen one, don't give up. The enemy wanted you to break, but I've been holding you together. And now, I'm building you back stronger. No more shame, no more regret, no more guilt. You're being restored, redeemed, and set free. I've been preparing a table for you. The very people who doubted you, who overlooked you, who wrote you off, they will see my hand on your life. Not for revenge, but for revelation. They will see that I am with you, that I never left you. You're not broken beyond repair. You're not too far gone. You're not too late. You are just in time for my restoration. I want you to lift your head. Breathe. Smile. Your story isn't over. It's just beginning. You've survived the storm. Now it's time to walk into the promise. Trust me, even when you don't understand. Lean on me, even when it's uncomfortable. I'm guiding your steps. I'm lighting your path. I'm restoring your soul. Chosen one, I love you with an everlasting love. And nothing can separate you from that love. You are being restored. Now walk boldly in that truth. Let go of what was. Embrace what is. Expect what's coming. Because your restoration is not coming. It's already begun. Chosen one, as you receive this message, let your heart be wide open. Because I am sealing this word with my power and presence. You're not the same person who entered the storm. You're coming out of it with new strength, with deeper faith, and with a brighter light. The pain didn't destroy you, it prepared you. The delays didn't deny you, they developed you. You are being restored in ways that only I could orchestrate. Even in the silence, I was working. Even in your waiting, I was weaving together every thread of your story for my glory. Nothing has been wasted. Not your tears, not your time, not your trials. You are rising now, not because of what you've done, but because of who I am. I am the restorer. I am the healer. I am the redeemer. I am the one who brings beauty from ashes and turns graves into gardens. Chosen one, it's time to release the fear, release the shame, release the weight. You don't have to hold it anymore. Let it go. Lay it at my feet. I've already made the word. You are not just surviving anymore. You are stepping into divine restoration. You will laugh again. You will love again. You will live again, fully, freely, and faithfully. The joy returning to you will be greater than the sorrow that tried to steal your soul. I am giving you double for your trouble. I am returning what the locusts ate. I am multiplying what the enemy tried to subtract. I'm sending provision where there was lack. I'm sending favor where there was rejection. I'm sending clarity where there was confusion. The weapons formed against you did not prosper. And now, chosen one, I'm promoting you in the presence of what tried to break you. I am using every wound as a witness. Every scar is now a story of survival. You didn't come this far to be left behind. You were preserved for a purpose. Get ready, chosen one. Restoration doesn't look like it used to. It looks better. It feels lighter. It moves faster. And it's happening now. You're not going backward. You're not repeating cycles. You're stepping into promise, into peace, into purpose. The shift has already begun in the spirit. You're about to see it in the natural. The doors are opening. The answers are coming. The blessings are flowing. And it's not by accident. It's because I've declared it over your life. I need you to believe again. Trust again. Hope again. Your restoration requires your agreement with what I'm doing. Don't speak defeat. Don't speak delay. Speak life. Speak faith. Speak victory, because that's what I'm releasing over you. Chosen one, lift up your eyes. Your help comes from me. Your healing comes from me. Your breakthrough comes from me. And I never fail. This is your moment. This is your time. This is your confirmation. You are being restored. Walk boldly now, not in fear, but in faith. You've been chosen for this restoration. You've been set apart for this transformation, and you will testify. You will rise. You will shine.